Hi, guys. All right, this week in science, we are going to continue our conversation on mixtures and solutions. And just to review from last week, we talked about a mixture, and I'm looking over here on this left hand side. A mixture is a combination of two or more substances that keep their identities. So when we did our toys and we mixed them all together, we saw that they are keeping all of their physical properties. I can still see which ones are the dominoes, which ones are the cars, the blocks, and so on. And the parts of the mixture don't go undergo any kind of chemical change. We can see all the individual parts. So, like in our same thing within our trail mix, I could see the marshmallows. They kept all those properties to where I could see, okay, everything that I see over here that is white and fluffy and soft and that has that kind of cylinder shape to it. I'm going to put it all together and separate it because I know those are all the marshmallows. And I know these are all the nuts, and these are all the cereal, and these are all the chocolate chips, based on all the properties that they share, the size, the color, the shape, the texture, all of that. Then here's some other examples: fruit salad, taco, sand and water, oil and water. So we made different ones last week. We did the toys, the trail mix, and the gravel and sand. Then this week we're going to be talking about solutions. So solutions are a mixture, it's a special type of mixture that has the same composition throughout. So when you look at it, it looks like just one substance, but it's actually been things that have been mixed together. But then you'll have one ingredient that'll dissolve in another, and it gets all of the particles. And as you're stirring it up and mixing it up, all those particles get mixed evenly into the water and they dissolve, and then you can't see them anymore. So, for example, this week I'm going to show an example of how we can make Kool-Aid. And then I have on this next page my yummy, 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 hope you can make it homemade lemonade recipe. So, let me go over how you make it. So, you're going to need 2 bags of lemons, 3 cups of sugar, water, and ice. So, you're going to cut all your lemons in half. Then you're going to add your sugar. So you're going to get your 3 cups of sugar and 6 cups of water into a big pan. And you're going to heat that mixture. So it's a mixture because it's got the two things. And you're going to heat it over medium heat. So have an adult help you, please, or get permission first. And you're going to stir it. And as you stir it, you're going to notice how the sugar is dissolving into the water. So watch what happens here.
All right, so this has, you can see kind of the sugar starting to dissolve. I poured the sugar into the water and I've been stirring it just here for about a minute or so. And you can see that sugar is starting to get all the way dissolved. And this is an example of a solution. We have 2 or more things mixed together, and the sugar is dissolving into the water and it looks like just one substance. But if you were to taste it, you would definitely be able to tell that this is not just water, that it has that sweet taste to it. So you want to pour in your sugar and put it on the pan and stir it up till it's all dissolved like that.
All right, meant to say put it on the stove. All right, so make sure again that you have your family's permission to do that. And as you're stirring it, watch it. And as you're seeing it dissolve and it's like it's disappearing, I want you to think about all those little sugar particles spreading out and dissolving in the water. Then you're going to juice your lemons. So you squeeze them, or if you have one of these, squeeze them into a cup. And you're going to do all of your lemons, all the whole 2 bags. Then you're going to pour that fresh lemon juice into, so I get a large container, and this is going to have your sugar water and your lemon juice. And then you're going to, if you've got some room, go ahead, fill it up all the way with water, grab some ice in a cup, and then enjoy your solution. And so I hope you try it. It's super yummy. So again, here's the things you'll need: 2 bags of lemons, 3 cups of sugar, water, and ice. And then you'll need pan, spoon, some measuring cups, and if you've got one of these to juice your lemons, that will help. And then a large container to put it in. And then that's that. All right, so I'm going to draft this. So I will share this with you guys this this week as well.